The first one is you'll be able to identify when the proper time is to refer your patient for further imaging. Not every patient needs imaging, so when do we refer them and when do we not? Next, you'll be able to determine which MRI type is best for assessing disc pathologies versus the bony changes. Do I need a T1? Do I need a T2? You'll also be able to orient yourself to the clinically relevant anatomy in the sagittal as well as the axial planes. This way you don't get confused by all of the different things that are going on in an image and you're not looking at something that's not really relevant. Then you'll be able to develop a process of viewing lumbar images to ensure consistency and ease of viewing, not only to make it easier for you, but also make it easier for you to explain to your patient. Then you'll be able to assess common lumbar pathologies in the sagittal view as well as the axial view. What are we looking for in the sagittal view versus what are we looking for in the axial view? When do I need to look at the sagittal view and when do I need to look at the axial view? You'll also be able to guide your patient through their imaging with more confidence. You'll be able to take those discs and say, I would love to go through your MRI with you. Your doctor might have not had enough time, and I would love to elaborate on what they found in their image.